camera. So we're gonna have a look at some more vegetables and get an idea from Denise about a recipe. So here she is.
So I want to show you these chicory that are actually radicchio that are so beautiful.
Wow, they're so pale.
And this time of year, ti dispiace Franco?
Vai apri,
Ma hai un coltello che posso prestare? And look at these. These are, you know, two different kinds here. Grazie. And let's see, I guess I'll cut it like this because this is a blood orange.
Which they call TAROCCO in Italy.
Yes, these are TAROCCO. And you see how beautiful they are. This is less red than a lot of them are. But this is, you know, why they call them the blood orange, because they're red like
beautiful.
This. And these paired with these chicory and some fresh fennel, capers. I like to put a little bit of raisins in them and some shrimp. But these chicory, you can add a little green maybe, but these are called Castello and these are fantastic. And I know that these are starting to show up in the United States, but these are very seasonal also.
Okay.
And these beautiful, beautiful pink Venetian.
I don't think I've ever seen these really pale pink ones before.
And if you touch them, they're so delicate. You know, they're much less hard than some of these other radicchio. But these chicory paired with some nice fresh fennel shaved really fine and blood orange. And usually what I'll do is I'll take, you know, the little filetti out of here. You know, so I'll make slices, not this way, but
the segments.
This way. Exactly, segments. I couldn't think of the English word.
That happens to me all the time. Don't worry. And
without the peel, of course. But those and with the chicory, black olives, fennel, peperoncino, some shrimp.
Perfetto.
Touch of another sweetness. If you put raisins in there, the salad is fantastic. And maybe we'll make that.
Okay.
You know, recently.
Yeah, that sounds.
One of these days here soon. So
right.
You can see that and taste that. It's so delicious. And this is, you know, the time of year for things from Sicily, quite frankly.
True.
You know, come from down south. That's why we're focusing on them, because 2 months from now, none of these things will be here.
And that's what makes it, is the beauty of Italy, as you all know, is the seasonal produce. And sometimes it's hard, like in this period for me, you know, your average Joe, I don't really know what to do with those kind of bitter lettuces. But I do make the fennel and the blood orange salad quite often, which I love. But not everybody likes those fennel, finocchio, bitter flavors. But the raisins is a great idea. For that.
And the other elements as well, you know, if you put the black olives, make it a little salty, the peppers also, a little bit of, you know, hot, a little bit of sweet, a little bit of crunchy. And these chicory really stand up to all of that.
And so you just have to slice these really thinly too, or no, you just use it?
No, actually.
You would, maybe these you would slice.
Yeah, actually these tear really beautifully like that, and you see that they're really quite delicate. You know? They're a little bit, you know, meatier in terms of chewing, but if you try that, it's really much more delicate than you think it is.
Okay, yeah, I guess I had in mind that it was more bitter. Maybe just the ones from my garden.
Bitter aftertaste, you know what I mean? And these you put in the salad, you know, really whole like this.
Okay.
You know? So it's
just such beautiful colors together.
The blood orange segment, a little bit of these, you know, leaves here, and all those other salty elements just make for a really best salad.
Awesome.
The rest of the year when I can't make it anymore.
All right, so this sounds like another good recipe to add to the list for a future date. Okay, well, thank you so much, Denise.
You're very welcome. It's always fun to be at the market.
Yeah.
I love the market. Grazie, Franco.